This is the Butler project for the Mercedes Benz Digital Challenge, and this video is a brief walkthrough of what Butler is and some of its easier capabilities to use, and then there are others that you can learn and play around with later on if you wish to investigate further. So without further ado, I'm going to let Butler walk us through what it's capable of.
Hello there, I'm the Mercedes Benz Butler. With whom am I speaking today?
Brian.
Nice to meet you, Brian. Would you like a quick overview of what you can do?
Yes.
You can view messages by clicking here or asking me to take you to messages. Same thing with maps, news, music, media. If you'd like help, just click or ask me for help. To turn on the microphone, click on the Mercedes logo. Whenever the logo has a red glow, I'm listening. Is there anything I can help you with?
Take me to maps.
Where would you like to go?
Grand Central Station, New York.
About 5.1 miles and should take 24 minutes.
So because Butler's, it knows my location either as a preset or it can access the GPS as a cloud app, and certainly on a mobile device. But I'm done with maps here, so let's head to our media. Can you take me to media?
What would you like to listen to?
Search for Jay-Z. So here we can play various songs, movies, any type of media we would be interested in all through the conversational interface, but let's pause that for now. Can you take me to news? Additionally,
Here is the interesting news for the day.
So Butler also can connect to APIs on the wider internet to pull in information relative to your particular interests. So I've set these up specifically on mostly tech news, but certain other configurations we can make. Now let's check something more vehicle specific. Can you take me to diagnostics? So here we have information coming from our emulator here with the car, and this is the APIs that we can also speak to through voice to control, such as locking doors, but we can also pull the states into Butler to provide this experience on your mobile phone, on your desktop, wherever else you go.
So, here is the interesting news for the day.
Now Butler also makes it easier to deal with notifications in your car. Randomly, Butler will have some notifications pop up, such as tire pressure, and it will ask you if you'd like to be connected to Mercedes, and it can help you figure out your problem. Additionally, we've used some of the APIs. I'm just going to...
Hello there, I'm the Mercedes Benz Butler. With whom am I speaking today? Welcome back, Brian.
You can also play games. So if you're familiar with the game, the Cash Cab, now that we have Butler, the software to run it, you can have the Cash Cab in any car that has this digital technology. So let's just see what that's like briefly.
Welcome to the Cash Cab. What is the capital of New York State?
Albany. Now you may also
That's
notice
correct.
we were switching the lights every couple seconds. If you've ever seen the show Cash Cab, they have these lights flicker off when the Cash Cab goes off. And through the Mercedes Benz APIs here, we're able to do that. You can also text to and from the application. We're using other APIs like Twilio that enable Butler to send messages through mobile networks. Do that as well. So those are some brief capabilities, and there's also information here at Help, which contains more information for you to use with the application, and that's about it.